What is going on, everybody? Today we're installing a Maximus-3 ladder to the Maximus-3 bed rack on this 22 Jeep Gladiator. Follow along and watch this quick install video of how easy it is to add this ladder onto the back. Let's jump right in. Alright, so today what I was doing was looking at some different options for different accessories. And I noticed as I was looking at different accessories, I already had this ladder installed and I was looking at adding some things, so I had to take it off, and I figured might as well show you how I got this ladder installed in the first place and how Maximus-3 products match so well with other Maximus-3 bigger products like this bed rack and other bed rack systems that they have. So while we're here, while it's off, I just want to show you how easy the install is and what other options you have with Maximus-3 products pairing with this awesome bed rack. For this specific ladder, all you have for hardware when you purchase this is 4 carriage bolts and 4 lock nuts that go to those. The 2 ones in the middle, as you'll see in a second, go up top, and these 2 on the ends actually thread up through the bottom of this carrier plate. And like you can see here, these 2 are available for another accessory, but these 2 basically are threaded into the bottom and stick straight up. So mounting those were a little bit tricky when we originally did this, but it's just simply pulling the bolts off of that back plate so you could thread them from the bottom up. And then as you'll see in a second, when we install that ladder, it just firmly sits on top, and then you use the lock nuts to tighten it down. So while we're here talking about the Maximus-3 products, I just quickly want to give them a shout out. This video is not sponsored by them by any means, but after looking at a lot of their products and after purchasing this bed rack, their products are top quality and they fit the Jeep Gladiator super nice. For me specifically, I liked the bed rack, and I covered that in my Jeep Gladiator walk around video and why I bought that. But things like these accessories and what I got for the bed rack on the back end after I purchased this bed rack from Maximus-3 is really one of the things that I'm kind of discovering is what's awesome about Maximus-3. Specifically, just adding a ladder with 4 pieces of hardware, 4 carriage bolts and 4 lock nuts is such simple, easy fashion, and the way that their products are designed to intertwine with one another. So this bed rack obviously just sits on the bed and bolts to it, but then you have these side rails that are also attached to that bed rack, adding extra stability and support. But with adding these, you get to add extra accessories from Maximus-3 like the ladder, but they also have a Rotapax holder that can be mounted behind the ladder or just on its own if you want to add that to a different accessory point like I showed you in the back where those other openings were. In addition, they have a bed rack, they have a bed tonneau cover platform that's not a tonneau cover in that it keeps everything dry and secure, but another mounting platform for Roam cases or Pelican cases, and so that you have storage above the bed, and then you have an option to have like a decked system or some sort of slide out system underneath that. And I think that's just really cool that Maximus-3 has all these products that intertwine with one another. And of course, during the holidays and random flash sales, they do give off some pretty good discounts if you're looking for an upgrade on a Maximus-3 product. But that's just generally one thing I've absolutely loved as I've discovered getting their products, is they're intertwinable and they all work well with each other and they're easy to install. All right, so now that we've shown you this, shown you the hardware, let's go ahead and get to the installs. Alrighty, so we've got the ladder right here, and all it takes is once you have these carriage bolts installed to this mounting plate that's from Maximus-3, all you have to do is set your ladder plate on top of them, make sure it threads through. Grab one of your lock nuts, thread it onto one, grab the other one, thread it onto the other, just so that there is a snug fit so this isn't going to come away. And then I'll show you real quick on the back side here, before I thread these in, on another opening for another accessory point on the Maximus-3 bed rack, how these carriage bolts just neatly fit in and make the install for these accessories so easy. This is the back of the bed rack, and as you can see, you've got these holes and light shining through in the top. Those are where those carriage bolts sat. And so they literally just thread through these holes, and you just make sure that that square part of the carriage bolt is threaded and locked in to those holes, and then you just give that lock nut a good hand tighten, and they usually stay pretty put. Now that you've seen how easy it is for these carriage bolts to fit in, we just grab the top 2 carriage bolts, thread them in, just do a quick test to make sure the square part of that carriage bolt is locked into that square tray. And then same thing here. Go ahead and loosely thread on your lock nuts to those top carriage bolts. And then all it takes is your size 14 socket, throw it on tighten, and give them a good crank. And just for good measure test, give it a good grab, make sure it's not loose. As you can see, it's not loose. It's shaking the whole Jeep here. So that gives us a good snug fit for it. As you can see, in total install time, once you got these carriage bolts threaded, it honestly takes about 2 minutes to get the whole thing installed. Not bad at all, right? So with this installed right now, one of the things that I'm constantly contemplating and trying to figure out is how to add some sort of T-channeling or carriage bolt mounting system that goes across the side of the bed rack here. For me, what I'm looking for is being able to add accessories not on the outside of the bed, but really on the inside of the bed that are mounted out of the actual bed space. I want to keep the bed space available for all my overlanding gear, my camping supplies, spare tire, whatever it may be in the future. I want to keep all of that gear elevated a little bit, and then obviously easy to access, just like the ladder is. So for me, the next couple steps that I'm thinking about is what am I going to be able to mount on these tubular designed bed rack struts so that I can mount that gear on the inside where it's easy to access but out of the actual bed so that my other gear can stay in the bed where it needs to be more secured. If you guys have any ideas on how to mount a T-channel or molly to these tubular bed rack supports, that would be awesome. Please put that in the comments. I'm looking for any advice or any just general thoughts on how you could do that. I want to make it look professional. I want to make it sturdy, and I want it to be very functional, of course. So if you have any ideas, please put those in the comments. I would love to look over them and just get some more perspective and thoughts on this. So as you can see, that was really easy to install. And so we appreciate you tuning in today. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe if you want. We'd love to see you in the comment section with whatever comments you might have for this build or other videos. And if you have any ideas for the future that you'd like to see on this channel, go ahead and put those in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one. See ya!